welcome back to the Soship channel. Today we're gonna have another unboxing video. Another highly anticipated collaboration, Gucci x Doraemon. I'm forever Doraemon fan. Sadly, we can't film in store, but we are allowed to take some close-up photos. Though due to the logistic issues, there are limited amount of Doraemon coming to Australia. Initially, I was planning to get this camera back, but once installed, there is another bag screaming at me. You just have to wait till I unbox it. See, I ordered this one online, so it doesn't come with this packaging. However, I come in store and my wonderful SA give me another bag. Okay, now let's see. So in online, they actually come with the tote bag like this. It's super cute and convenient. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. This is boxing. If you're a Doraemon fan, doesn't this bag remind you of dorayaki? Well, since I saw that, I just have to grab this one instead. The bag is made of typical GG coated canvas with red leather trim. I guess it is for Lunar New Year, so everything is red. Duh. It's actually practical enough for a mini bag, like fitting small folded wallet, one card holder, coin case, some cream tube, and 2 Kit Kats. Important things, you know. The card holder is a standard one with Ox Doraemon printed on canvas on one side and a gold GG hardware on the other side, fitting at least 5 cards. It's time to try it on! I think this bed is adorable. I have it as a longest length and it sits comfortably below my hip. You can have it shortened to sit above the waist too. Definitely an all-season bag. Okay, so my lovely SA called me today for some extra surprises. Doraemon stickers have arrived! She also popped in some extra red envelope for Lunar New Year. This is a Gucci red envelope. Woohoo!